So we're about to head on inside again for Augusta here in Mid-South. Beautiful, 1.1 million. But I know it's a lot for a lot of folks, but this is what you're getting. 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3,800 square feet with a workshop, huge 11-foot ceilings, and a killer view. It's a hot tub and a grill. Everyone. And the doggy door. All right, when you get way too lazy, you can just throw the dogs out. All right, it's too cold outside, just be like, hey, get your ass out there, and they'll just come out, run on back in. You don't even have to go outside. That's when you know you're in a bougie house.